Give your Nissan Altima a stylish interior upgrade with our lavishly designed, custom-fit, ultra-flex neoprene seat covers. The innovative design makes installation easy. The covers are precision cut and custom tailored for your Nissan's carefully indented seating, concave design, and unique built-in features, including access to the rear center console and cup holders. Known for its elasticity and comfort, our neoprene seat covers are not only soft and stretchy, but they are also waterproof and durably constructed with thick foam padding, providing extra comfort to you and your passengers. Add to your purchase matching custom-fit car floor mats and cargo liners, durably built and stylishly made for reliable protection. Personalize your ride in a variety of vibrant shades with the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom-fit seat covers.